How to change your PayPal name. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from the Solution Guide, and in this guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can go ahead and then change the name for your PayPal account. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now, first of all, you have to understand that you will not be able to change the name from the PayPal application. So if you're looking to find it in your settings, you won't be able to do so. Instead, what you have to do is you have to go ahead and launch your browser, and you have to go to paypal.com from your browser. Once we go to paypal.com, log into the account on which you want to change the name of. In my case, I'm already actually logged in, so just tap on the login button over here. It will ask you for a confirmation. Go ahead and enter your password and log into your account. Now, once you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. In order to change our name, tap on the three lines, which is the menu bar icon from the very top left hand side of the screen. Once you do that, you can see that this is my current name. In order to change it, all I have to do is tap on the gear icon located on the top right of the screen. Once I tap on the gear icon, which is also basically the settings icon, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to change our name, you can see the option over here that says change name. So all you have to do is click on the change name button over here. Once you tap on change name, it will ask you a reason why you want to change a name, such as you are using a legal name after marriage, divorce, or etc., or updating your full name, for example using a full name instead of a nickname, or making a minor correction of 1 or 2 characters. So just go ahead and select any of it and click on the next button over here. As you do that, for account security, you can make a minor correction of 1 to 2 characters to change the name only once, which means that if you have only 1 or 2 characters mistake and you want to change it, you can go ahead and do that and find your first name, your middle name, and your last name and tap on update name button. Or if you're selecting for some other reasons, then what you could do is you can go ahead and select that you're selecting it for divorce or any of the other options, such as you want to change it, you're updating your name, for example you want to use your full name and so on, and tap on the continue button as well. And this is simply how you can change your name on PayPal. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.